वालेकुम सलाम। व्हाट इज योर नेम बेटा? आपका नाम क्या है बेटा? जी। मुसाफिर। मूसा। मूसा हसन खान। मूसा हसन खान। ओके। तो बेटा अगर अपने नाम को जो है करेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप उसमें जूम के अंदर। उसमें लिखा हुआ है टैबलेट। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू कम, so you write your correct name, okay? When you join the room, so you write your correct name. Okay, as mashallah you are all going doing hips, you must come with covering your head, boys. Sit properly and sit silently. So if we follow the our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so Allah will love with us and Allah will give what we want here in dunya and in the akhirah. So we follow the sunnah of Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So who will going to tell me the answer of question number 4A? Yes, Yaman. Yaman, unmute yourself. All other boys, mute yourself. And when I ask, so you unmute. So Yaman will answer. Yaman is saying 200. Very good, Yaman. Okay, now for the part B, for part B, 5 tens and 12 ones. Yes, who is going to answer? Raise your hand. I can see your videos. Mohit, will you answer this question? Unmute yourself. Mohit. Mohit. No, don't shout without permission. Daud. Yes, Mohit. 5 tens and 12 ones. Yes, Mawahid. 62. You are saying 62 or 52. What you are saying? The answer for this is 62. How? Because 5 tens will become 50. 5 tens will become 50 and plus 12. So it will become 62. Now Daud will answer part 3. Daud. Yes, Daud. All other boys mute and Daud will only unmute and he will answer. 3, he is saying 300. So 100 plus 20 tens means 200 and 3 ones. So he's saying 323. 123. Yes, anybody can confirm this answer. He is saying his answer is 123, part C. Yes. Can anybody confirm? Yes, Yusuf. This page is page number 6. Page number 6, beta, activity book. Page number 6, activity book. जी, क्या कह रहे हैं आप? जी, यमान कह रहे हैं ये 303 है इसका आंसर. यस, 303 होगा क्योंकि 100 है, 100 से ये 100 बना एंड 20 tens means 200 and 3 ones mean 3. So we add these three numbers, so we will get 303. So its answer is 303. The answer for part C is 303. Now here use a digit from each place value given in the table. Write down any 5 three-digit numbers that can be formed from hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. So for this I just write some of the numbers. For example, we will write the place values and we will just write numbers from each place. 907. Okay, like this. 927. Like this we can do. Okay, 103. Okay, boys, this, so you all have done, I think all of you have completed this. Okay, now we are moving to the next topic, guys. Our next topic is numbers in and words. Our next topic is numbers and words. Look here, numbers and words. So the first page is very easy. So I don't need to ask the answers from anyone. So you all have done this, and you can do this page, and you can show me the answers. If you can easily show me the answers, I will see your videos. So everybody, if you did not complete this page, so you completed matching the numbers with the words. Yes, who is showing me answer? Page number 7. Today is 11th August, 11th 8. Yes. Yes. Yes, boys. Did you complete page number 7? Yes, Mohit is showing me the answers. And close your book to the camera, Mohit. Very good. Mohit, very good. Yes. Daud is showing me answers. Yes, Daud, very good. I can see your answers very clearly, and your answers, all answers are right. Try to draw with a scale. Okay, next time use a scale and pencil to draw straight lines. And now we are, yes, who is showing his answer again now? Yes. Yes, who is showing the answers now? Yaman, Ibad, did you complete Ibaduddin? Ibad completed. Very good. Musa, did you complete this page, page number 7, Musa? ओके नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा कोई मसला नहीं है अच्छा कोई बात नहीं okay Yaman is doing so now we are moving to the next page okay I don't think that anybody need to explanation for page 7 but one thing every student must know the correct spelling for each word, each number. Very good, Ibaduddin. Work is very good, and I am giving 3 stars to Ibad work. He has done very good work, mashallah. So I was saying, you learn the spellings correctly. For example, it's written 19, so you must learn the spelling NINETEEN. Just like this 27, yes, 100 HUNDRED. So the students at your level they do the mistakes of spellings. So learn the spellings correctly. So your answers are to be are good and correct. 8 EIGHT 8 and like this again देखें यहाँ पर 90 है so NINETY 90 just like this 100 and like this. We are moving to the next page boys, page number 8. Now in this page what we have to do is we have to write the number in words. So I'm asking one by one the answers of this page. So first I will ask the answer from Daud. Just Daud. What spelling word you will write for 198? Daud is showing me his answers and he has written 198 and he is writing the answers, mashallah. Very good, Daud. 600 and now he will go to write 3 here. Very good, Daud. Now who will tell me the answer of second question? 582. Yes. मूसा, मैं आपसे ये कहूँगा कि आप एक कॉपी लेके बैठें और उसमें आप इनके वर्ड्स लिखें. आपको बुक में नज़र आ रहा है, मैं बुक दिखा रहा हूँ. इनके वर्ड्स आप किसी कॉपी में लिखें. मूसा हसन खान. Take a copy. If you don't have the book, take any copy, your old copy, and write the answers of this page in that copy. Write the number in words. This is page number 8. Page number 8. Sayyid Hassan Ahmad, do you have the book, beta? Page number 8. And all work in activity book is to be done in the book. अभी कॉपी का हमने कोई काम नहीं किया, अभी बुक में ही कर रहे हैं हम लोग, एक्टिविटी बुक में कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Yes, Sayyid Hassan Ahmad. Can you answer, beta? Answer for the question 603. Yes. You have completed page number 8. Okay. Show me your answers. Who is it? Mustafa Hussain has come. Daud. Yes. Yes, who is showing his answers? Oof, oof. गर्मी 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 हम जाता है यहाँ से हम जाती है. Yes, 5 minutes left, beta. Complete this, boys. This page. Sir, data. आ गया. हाँ तो मसला नहीं है, मैं फिर डेटा से चला रहा हूँ. ओके बॉयज. So I think you all are mashallah very genius students of HFS, and this is 3C, and you all can do the work very well, and all are doing mashallah, but Musa is not doing. I don't see he is doing his work. He's just looking here and there, and he did not comb his hair. He did not cover his head with cap. And Mohit is showing me his work. Yes, Mohit, close it. Close your book, Mohit. Mohit, close your book. Okay. A table and chair is very good for taking the class so that you can do the work. Yes, Mustafa Hussain has made some emojis with his names. जी बेटा जी बेटा यस बेटा 603 603 में लिखेंगे हम 603 यस यस Sadim, you came very late, Sadim. Okay, no problem. I just tell you how many pages we have completed. We have completed page 6, 7, and 8. Yes, who is any question from any student? We have completed page 7 and 8 today. Page 6 was the homework. Yes, beta. Yes, Daud. We are doing activity book. जी जी इसका मतलब ये है बेटा कि हमने उसकी नंबर्स में वैल्यू बतानी है अगर 300 था तो 300 लिख देंगे 880 8 टेंस हैं तो 80 लिख देंगे और वंस है तो सिंपल डिजिट लिख देंगे yes we have done page 6 7 and 8 of activity book and who will going to answer the last question of this page 8 who is going to give the answer very good okay boys the time is going to over and I'm going to give you the homework beta and what will be your homework I'm just telling you the page numbers and questions okay Sadim no problem okay Sheikh Mohammed Hassan I write your name in my attendance Sheikh Mohammed Hassan Sheikh Mohammed Hassan okay beta just I'm telling you the homework if you will do question number you will do page number 9 in your activity book okay and from the pupils book I just tell you the page number just wait for me in the pupils book please wait I'm telling you that in the pupils book you will do what बेटा होमवर्क मैं गूगल क्लासरूम में डाल दूंगा और व्हाट्सएप में भी कर देता हूँ जी अच्छा प्यूपल्स बुक में इस बात को मेरी गौर से सुने आप लोग जो जो टॉपिक्स यहाँ पर होते जा रहे हैं यू हैव टू डू द वर्क रिलेटेड टू दैट टॉपिक्स इन योर pupils book for example we have completed place values so you will complete all the exercise relating to place values in the pupils book and today we have done number and words so you will do the pages the exercises which are given in our pupils book so you do these exercise in your pupils book and our chapter will be completed and all of you will submit your homework in the Google Classroom or individually you can submit it on WhatsApp. Okay, boys? वालेकुम सलाम. जी 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 जी. अभी मैथ्स में वन चैप्टर आज तकरीबन ख़त्म हो गया है, चैप्टर वन. मैं सॉल्यूशन तो शेयर नहीं कर सकता, मैंने कुछ वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड किए हैं, मैं वो ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा, तो वो आप उसको देख लीजिएगा. Okay, guys, we have completed homework. Homework is page number 9 in your activity book. Okay, and all the pages of pupils book. Okay, all the pages of pupils book you will do in of chapter 1. This was your homework. Okay, well, I'm going to end our meeting. We will meet inshallah again. So, we, okay, assalamu alaikum. जी बेटा. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, आप किसी और डिवाइस से ले लें, अम्मी के से ले लें. ओके, यू कैन गो बेटा, एंड एवरीबडी कैन गो. ओके, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं ब्लैंक क्वेश्चंस की पिक्चर भेज दूंगा. लेकिन आपका मुझे नहीं पता नाम वगैरह, आप मुझे रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगे व्हाट्सएप में, ठीक है? मैथ्स टीचर को रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगे तो फिर मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. मुझे नहीं पता आपका नाम, आपका नंबर. नाम तो, लेकिन मुझे नंबर नहीं पता ना बेटा. आप मुझे ग्रुप से ही आप देख लें, जो मैथ्स जिस नंबर से मैथ्स का रिक्वेस्ट आया था, मैथ्स की एडिशन आई थी, उसी पर आप भेज देंगे, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एंड द क्लास. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.